Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to do color correction around your mouth area and how to cover your dark circles as well. And also, if you apply foundation and your base turns gray, you have to watch this video. Now, this is what my real skin looks like. I have pigmentation around my mouth area and also I have dark circles. Let's start with skin preparation first. For that, I'm using a toner. This toner is not only going to help me calm my pores down, but it will also clean my pores. Gently just pat this into the skin and leave it for 5 minutes. After that, I'm using this under eye serum. Under eye serums are best because they give you a lot of hydration. In that way, the foundation is not gonna get patchy under your eyes. And after that, I've used the moisturizer from NYKAA. Now I'm going to start with the primer. Primer is very important. This will close your pores and also make your makeup stay for a longer time, and it will also help your skin protect all the makeup you're applying on the face. For color correction, I will be using my favorite color corrector, which is PAC color corrector in the shade Pumpkin. Now I will not be using a beauty blender here. Instead, I'm using a brush because I have extreme dark circles, and using a beauty blender will only make my color correction look very natural. If that's the case, then still my dark circles are going to be seen, but when I use a brush, it will give me a fuller coverage and you can see the difference right now. Also, if you're a beginner, if you use a beauty blender, you might over blend it, so try to use a brush, which is much easier. Now, two things to remember here is never let your concealer dry up. So do not use your concealer all over your face and then start blending it. Instead, use it in a particular area and first blend that part, and then you can move on to the next. Now, the second thing to remember is that whenever you're doing a color correction, do not over blend it. If you over blend it and then apply the foundation, your foundation is still going to look gray. So these are two things that you need to remember while doing color correction. Over here, I'm using a liquid corrector because I am from a oily skin. If you are from a dry skin, you can definitely use a cream corrector as well. And make sure to just pat the color corrector and do not blend it. When you blend it or use a wiping motion, the color corrector will move from its place and again the pigmentation will be seen. One last thing to remember is do not apply your color corrector a lot. Use thin layers of color corrector, pat it, and then if you feel that you still need it, then you can go with the second layer. If you apply a lot of product at once, it will definitely start creasing and you will be able to see a lot of wrinkles. So once you're done with the color correction, this is what your skin should look like. Now I'm using the foundation over here. For foundation, I'm using the NYKAA All Day Matte Foundation. This is a wonderful foundation. I love how this foundation blends into my skin. I'm using a buffing brush from Elf Cosmetics over here, and I'm applying this all over my face. Now some people do apply concealer on your color corrector and then apply foundation. I like to do it this way. Whatever is comfortable for you, you can do the same thing. I'm applying the foundation on my neck as well to make sure that the skin looks even. Now, if you have a lot of darkness around your neck area, you can use color correction there also. I will be back with the full face of makeup. This is what my skin looks like after full face of makeup. It looks flawless. In the next video, I will be showing you all how to do foundation and concealing. So stay tuned for that. If you did like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.